of martial arts. Hey guys, so in this fight, the red corner not able to make weight. So in this fight, he has to finish in the 3 rounds, or else the bout will go to the blue corner.
So, because Abhishek from the red corner did not make weight, he has to finish the fight in the 3 rounds. Otherwise, blue corner, Tarun S from the blue corner will win the fight. I think it's a very fair condition. Let's see. Tarun S comes swinging. Strong start from Tarun. Great head kick. Great kicks by Tarun. Tarun S. I don't think Tarun S wants this fight to go 3 rounds. I don't think he wants to win from decision. Comes in swinging. Tarun with a great overhand. Nice leg kick by Tarun. Nice push kick. I think Abhishek needs to throw more combinations. He's going for strong one punches, but like he needs to throw more combinations because Tarun S is playing the in and out game very well. He throws in punches and then backs off. Nice counter by Abhishek. I think that landed on Tarun. Tarun. That was a slip. That was a slip for Tarun. Tarun is so fast. Tarun plays the in and out game very well, I feel. Nice body kick. I think Abhishek's leg is a little hurt because he's walking slowly. And Tarun S is targeting. Nice leg kick by Abhishek. I think Tarun S takes the first round. Abhishek needs to Abhishek needs to finish this fight in order to win. So, reminder to the audience: Abhishek needs to finish this fight in order to win. So he needs to come up with a very strong round 2. And here we go into round two. Ta- Tarun is coming with a lot of confidence. Abhishek switching stances. Nice leg kick by Tarun. Nice body and then upper jab by Tarun. Nice counter by Abhishek. I think that cross landed, but Tarun with a barrage of punches. And Puneet is back. So as I was telling to the audience, Puneet, Abhishek from the red corner, the School of Martial Arts, needs to finish this fight in order to win because he didn't make weight.
Oh,
Otherwise, Tarun will win this fight automatically.
Automatically.
But right now, as the fight is going, Tarun is leading for sure, showing better combinations, throwing better combinations, playing the in and out game very well. But stronger, Abhishek is definitely coming back stronger in round two. More confident, nice body kick. But Tarun blocked them all.
thanks for the update, Saksham.
Nice inside leg kick by Abhishek. But he's not hiding those behind the punches. So Tarun is blocking. But nice cross landed by Abhishek. Tarun taking time to breathe in, recover. Nice inside leg kick, but nice counter hook by Tarun.
Did Tarun say that Abhishek hit a groin kick? He was pointing.
So I think
Yeah.
it landed on the groin. Yes, it definitely landed on the groin. Abhishek definitely had a better round two, but I still think Tarun is leading in terms of scorecards. Plus, Abhishek needs to finish this fight in order to win the fight. And round three begins. Abhishek needs to finish this fight in order to win. Otherwise, Tarun will automatically win because Abhishek did not make weight.
Oh, Tarun lands clean.
Tarun lands a good hook that I think
Both the fighters are swinging, but I feel that Tarun is landing more.
better shots. Yes.
Oh, Abhishek needs to go all in because there is nothing to lose.
Only the fight. I think Tarun is also tired coming into round 3. He's striking less. He's landing less. But there are barrage of punches where Tarun, I think, lands a lot of shots. I think a nice uppercut by Abhishek that landed. Nice leg kick by Tarun. Again, another leg kick by Tarun. Oh, nice
Nice
hook.
left hook.
Good inside leg kick by Abhishek.
Oh, nice body kick by Tarun.
Nice ball. Oh, nice leg kick. I think that rocked Abhishek. That was a great.
That was
head
a
kick.
beautiful question mark kick by Tarun.
Both athletes landing good kicks. Last 10 seconds. Nice leg kick by Abhishek. And we are end of round 3. Great fight by both fighters, but because Abhishek didn't make
to
weight,
wait.
Tarun will win this fight automatically.
All right, guys. So the winner is blue corner by unanimous decision.
Great fight by Tarun. I think he showed